Hello and welcome to Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. This is Barkha Gaur, your biology teacher. So today in this video we are going to discuss sample question paper of biology class 12 and we will be understanding the pattern that how you have to attempt the paper. So children, be careful, be ready with your pencil or pen so that you can note down the instructions properly and understand all the points. That all questions are compulsory, as you know, always it happens. Then overall there are 33 questions, okay? In biology question paper there will be 33 questions which are divided into 4 sections, that is section A, B, C and D. So overall there are 4 sections. Now let us begin with the section A. Section A comprises 14 questions. 14 questions होंगे of 1 mark each, ठीक है? Up to 14 questions. 1 mark each questions hai, and there is another pattern of questions which is called as case based questions. So 2 case based questions hai, and others are multiple choice questions hai, plus 1 word or 1 sentence questions are all there. But you should remember that section A, all the questions are of 1 mark. Section B has 9 questions of 2 marks each. Section C has 5 questions of 3 marks each, and section D will be having 3 questions of 5 marks each as it was coming in the previous years. Now there is no overall choice. Overall choice का क्या मतलब होता है? ऐसा नहीं है कि out of 33 you have to do 30. ऐसा pattern नहीं है, ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होता है. तो overall choice is not there. Only the choices are given in between the questions. ठीक है? That you will come to know when we'll see the paper. So internal choices have been provided in some questions and the student has to attempt only one out of the alternative questions. ठीक है? Alternative जो questions होंगे उनमें से एक attend करेंगे. तो I'll explain you in the paper also. And this is biology question paper. So wherever diagram is required, you can draw the diagram. You should draw the diagram and diagram should be properly labeled. Without labeling, you will not get the full marks in the diagram. So in biology you should be careful that diagram, the explanation should be with the help of diagrams. Now let's begin with section A. When we see question section A, you can see question 1 to 10. ठीक है? ये very short type के questions हैं and from 1 to 10 you have to answer in 1 word or 1 sentence. You can see the marking scheme over here. They all are of 1 mark each. So these are 10 questions. Section A में ही है. In section A only from question 11 we can see this is the new pattern for you children. 12th class में bio में assertion reason questions are coming from this year. So assertion reason you should practice very properly. How you have to attend these questions ये देख लो. First you have to read the assertion and then reason. So these 2 statements are given. On the basis of on the reading of this paper these questions you have to read these 4 alternatives. ये 4 alternatives हैं, उस बेस पे आपको इनके आंसर दे रहे हैं. Suppose A, both assertion and reason are true. That means these both the sentences are true and this reason is given that it is correct for the statement 1. अगर assertion के लिए ये reason जो दिया हुआ है ये correct है, then your choice will be A. Similarly, if both assertion and reason are true, but the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion, तो आप B चूज करेंगे. If assertion is true but reason is false, तो इस पे आपको बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ने की जरूरत है बच्चों. Then your option will be C, and if both the statements assertion and reason are false, then you will be selecting D option. ठीक है? तो these type of questions are from question number 11, 12, 13 and 14. ठीक है? तो 14 तक 11 to 14 assertion reason based questions हैं. Then question number 15. You have to read this passage carefully. Question number 15 में देखिए, read the following and answer any 4 questions from 1 to 5. तो 15 question के 5 parts हैं, out of which you have to attend 4. ठीक है? तो very clearly it is given also. और आप अच्छे से समझ लो कि ये passage read करना है. Concept based questions होंगे इसमें. ठीक है? You have to be clear with the concept which is given in the paragraph and then you have to attempt the questions. 5 questions हैं, 1 mark each के, but you have to attend only 4 questions. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे choice है आपको. Similarly, question number 16 is also has to be attended in the same way. इसमें भी आपको 5 questions, 16 first से लेकर 5th तक questions हैं and you have to attempt only 4 questions out of these. So we can see that this question will contain 4 marks because 4 options are there. You have to attend any 4 और ये कैसे है multiple choice question based है. So you have to choose any one answer from these options. ये graph based भी है, ठीक है. Now we come to section B. Section B is of 2 marks. Each question comprises of 2 marks. जैसे कि अगर हम if we compare this paper with the previous year's paper, तो 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks questions same ऐसे ही थे. So you can see section B question 17 से लेकर आपके question number 25 है ना, question number 25 तक this is section B and they contain 2 marks each question. You should be careful that the limit जो आंसर की लिमिट होती है, वर्ड लिमिट होती है, you should take care of it. बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल में जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. To the point you have to write the answers. ठीक है, अगर पार्ट्स में गिवन है क्वेश्चन तो you have to write accordingly. Otherwise there should be limit of the answer. Then section C, which comprise of 3 marks each. So you have to attend these questions accordingly, according to the marks given in front of it. तो ये 3 marks की questions हैं and choice is there in question number 30. तो suppose question 30 as you can see on the screen, there are 2 alternatives, so you can attend either this part or the lower part. ठीक है, तो आपको जहाँ पे और given है तो उसमें से एक attend करना है. Now section D, which is of 5 marks each, 3 questions are there, each of 5 marks and all the 3 questions have internal choices. Like question number 31 में भी choice है, you can do this part or this part. Similarly question number 32 also has choice, either you will be attending this part or this part, and 33 number question में भी आपको choice है. So this was about the sample paper. Now we'll compare the paper pattern of previous year and this year also. So children, as you can see, this is the previous year's pattern and this is the paper pattern of this year, that is 2021. So according to me there is a vast change in the MCQ part. ठीक है, 1 mark के questions जो हैं उसमें बहुत change आया है as compared to the previous year. पहले सिर्फ कैसे थे 1 marks के 5 questions ही थे. Now here we can see there are up to question number 16 है ना, question number 16 तक आप देख सकते हो 1 mark के questions हैं. तो it has been made easy for you. You can have the choice भी है इसमें. और section A में कितने questions हैं आपके 16 questions हैं, जिसमें कि question number 1 to 10 VSA है, very short answer type, which is of 1 mark of course. Question 11 to 14 assertion reason, which is MCQ, and it also contain 1 mark, and question 15 and 16 are case based questions जो कि 1 mark question ही है. तो this pattern was not in the previous year. This is the new pattern of your question paper this year. But the section B, C and D are as the previous year only, पहले जैसे ही है. Section B of 2 marks, section C of 3 marks and section D of 5 marks each question, and choices are also there accordingly. So read the instructions properly and attempt the paper accordingly, and also be careful about the weightage of the unit. Keep revising all the videos and take care. Goodbye.